Access to data is the most important step in any data science project. In organizations, data is stored in many different formats and types of sources, from CSV files to RDBMSs. Data warehouses are one of the most important sources of data for machine learning projects. And I can only recall one data warehouse that we should be talking about on how to consume data from: Snowflake. In Fabric, we include a connector for this warehouse, so data teams can easily connect within minutes and consume from queries to views. Let's see how it is done. So we have here our list of connectors. I'm going to select Snowflake, just going to input the data that I want to for my data source that I need to connect, so credentials. I can also select my database, the warehouse that I'm going to use, and of course, give it a name. So create the connector, and now we can add the data set. As I told you, we can create data or a data source from a query, for example. That's exactly what we're going to do. I'm just going to select the schema and insert my query. Select the data type, can be either tabular or time series depending on the nature of the data. This will provide us different metrics in terms of data quality, depending on whether the data is time series or tabular. In this case, we have a tabular data set. Click Create to connect the data set, and off we go. This is, at this moment, just creating your data source and also profiling it, so you can have a good overview on how your data is behaving. And now that our data source is ready, we can just navigate and understand the quality of our data. Let's jump into the data. So as you can see, we have right away several statistics on the data and some overview on how it looks like the number of rows and even some metrics about the missing cells. But I can right away also have a good understanding on the quality of my data and what are the main issues and challenges that I should account for. I hope you have enjoyed.